One of the 12 universal laws is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. It's important not to get caught up in big words, as understanding this law of the universe is fairly straightforward. We are taught in mainstream science that energy is never lost. Energy is simply transferred. And so if we speak, our words, or the energy that is produced by our words, is transferred into the universe and transforms into something else, something completely different. This would mean that we are looking at a complex design to the universe where everything seems to be connected, everything seems to piece together in some way, shape, or form. And this would also explain things like evolution and the cycles of life. We can see this in the flow of water. Water evaporates into the air and it is absorbed, or it forms clouds. The clouds then turn into rain, which falls back down onto the planet. And this is a constant motion. This is a constant cycle. And this constant cycle is with everything that is around us. Energy. If energy is never lost or transferred, if energy is never lost and simply transferred, this would mean that everything is energy. What is interesting is we are taught in the fundamental lessons of science that everything vibrates, everything is in constant motion. And so this would seem to explain the laws of energy as well. If everything is constantly vibrating, constantly moving, that means things can move within each other. If atoms are constantly vibrating, those atoms aren't held still in one moment in time. And so that atom can change its vibration and transfer into a higher state, or a higher state of vibration, which means it would change its outlook, or the object it would be. This can be explained in scientific experiments like the cannonball experiment, where if a cannonball is fired, it would seem to be lighter or way less in the air than it would when it touches the ground. The atoms of the cannonball are transferred into different aspects of the universe whilst it is in the air due to velocity. However, those atoms return to the cannonball when it touches the ground.